Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This is Matt. In this video, I'm going to be going over Textbot Ai. Okay, you can get paid up to $100 a day simply giving away a phone number. All right, and this is the phone number that I was assigned here. And I'm just going to take you through some of the basics right now. So this is what I have right now. Ava Basic. You could set up a chat. Okay, and then you could also set up your settings in here. Okay, this is the message you want to send out to all leads after 24 hours, and you can put in your primary business as well too, and then you could set it up to receive alerts on your phone. Okay, now we're going to be going over custom keywords as well too. All right, and this is what you want to set up for your primary business or any business for that matter. Okay, and for example, this program I was in the past, level up, you text the word level up, and then TextBot will respond with the information that you want to put out to the customer. Okay, this is, like I said, for any business, whether it be a keto business, weight loss business, any business. Okay, so we're gonna go to the reseller rights. Here's what you get. You get your links. You, let me go ahead and click on that. Okay. You get your presentation. So these are all the leads that you capture in the system. Okay. You get let's see, your pending payments, commission history, my team. Okay, and then you get your resources here. You get your promo videos. You get your email swipe copy. And they added the training, so you get Tech Tuesday product training, and then Franco does a live presentation. And then also, if you want to go back here, you set up your account, you go to my profile, and you just fill in the information, full name, email address, username, and then you want to set up your payment methods. Okay, you want to set up your PayPal, your Cash App, Venmo, Google Play, Apple Cash, and you could link your credit card as well too, Zelle, and then you put in your primary business here. Okay, and this is only available to Ava Plus people, Ava Plus members. And then integrations, you could generate your API key, and then you could upload your photo, of course. Now, if you want to get started, go ahead and click the link below to get started, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Thank you.